Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for the Lighting Doctor. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I wanted to take a minute and kind of walk you through the website a little bit, because I often get questions about a couple different things. And one of the first things is we do ship. We have free shipping all across the US and Canada. There's no additional duties, import fees, taxes, anything like that shipping to the United States. So that is a question I get asked all the time. And then I wanted to walk you through the website a little bit, in particular our Try Before You Buy It lights, because that's something I get questions on a lot. And what we've done there and what we do is it's basically a chance for you to go and get one of our premium quality fixtures. So you actually get the chance to feel what the difference is between that and what you're going to find on Amazon and all the other websites out there, in the big box stores, all that kind of stuff. So it gives you a chance to feel it and see what a premium quality fixture should actually feel like. The other nice thing about it, and the reason we love it, is obviously when you go and do that, we can help you with the design aspects of it. We do offer our free consultations, which many of you have taken advantage of, where you can send me an email with a few pictures of your property, and we're going to recommend kind of which lights to use. And then that's where you can go and buy one of these Try It Before You Buy It lights, so you can feel the light. And then they all come with these battery packs. Now what this is, it's a simple battery pack that just takes a few AA batteries that come with the trial light. Then you can just plug that light in, and all those recommendations that we give you, or where you think a light's going to look best, you can go stick that in your yard, step back and look at how that's going to look. And then from there you can decide, oh, I like the way that looks. I'm going to get 6 of these lights. I'm going to get 5 of these lights. Now keep in mind, this is just a one-time light. You get that with the battery pack. If you love it, great. Then you just buy the remaining fixtures. If you don't, then you send it back and you get a full refund. And then you can go to our shop page, where you can go and actually buy the remaining lights that you need. If you're lucky enough to fit into one of our kits, there's obviously some additional savings because those are prepackaged kits. But if not, then you can go and just start adding the different lights to your cart. So maybe you need 8 of these, maybe you need 12 of these. And then I'm going to tell you, if you need help sizing the transformer and whatnot, we can definitely help you with that. But you can also go and choose from some of the transformers we have on our website. A kit like this one comes with a 150 watt transformer. This transformer, when used with any of our lights, you can easily fit 20, sometimes 30 lights. If you're using path lights and stuff, it's mostly up lights, you might need something bigger, but we've easily put 25 lights on here with no issues. This comes with 250 feet of wire, 40 of the snap block connectors, which is enough for 20 lights. If you need more, you also have the option to just add a couple extra to your cart. We have a couple upgrade options like this, where you can get extra roll of wire, extra pack of connectors if you have more lights. But if you have up to 30 lights, you can easily fit it on this transformer. But the beauty is that we see all the orders that come in. So if you're ordering 40 lights and you've got a 150 watt transformer, you're probably going to get an email from us saying, hey, do you have another transformer that you're going to be using? Because this is going to require more power than that transformer is going to use. And we're going to look at that before we send anything out. So you don't have to worry about making those mistakes. But if you want to even take care of that beforehand, you can always email me. You can either email support@lightingdoctor.ca. You can email me personally. But that's a really good way with our Try Before You Buy It lights to make sure that you're getting the right light. I would urge you to take advantage of that, because not only do you get to try it, you also get it at a discounted rate for that one-time purchase. It's the exact same light that you would find in all our kits. It's the exact same light that you can have here. Keep in mind, it is at a discounted rate with the battery pack, that you can just order one so you can try it. And then this is the remaining lights that you need. You can go to our Shop Now page, and again, like I said, add those to your cart. But we're more than happy to help you with that. The other thing I did want to mention on our page is our how-to page, because so many of the questions that you guys get are asking can be found on YouTube. But if you don't want to go search through YouTube and all that, Couple things. One, get our free landscape lighting guide. This comes with all our kits, all our orders anyway. It walks you through step by step how to go install your system and everything you need from the connectors and all that kind of stuff. Also keep in mind that anytime you're ordering lights from us with the kits and stuff, there's some additional tools, bonuses, connectors, all that kind of stuff that we throw in that we don't advertise because that's just a extra bonus that we know you're going to need to finish your project. So we just want to give that to you anyway. But then a lot of our how-to step-by-step videos, our more popular ones, can be found here, which will answer most of your questions. But if you have specific questions, we have our frequently asked questions page of how to wire, how to use the connectors, how to size your transformer, how to tunnel under a sidewalk, can I retrofit my system, and so many more. And if you can't find it here, go to YouTube and just search Lighting Doctor and whatever your question is. And I bet you there's at least 5 or 6 videos there that you can go and look at. So I hope you guys take advantage of our try it before you buy a light. It is by far one of the best things that we've done so that people can actually go and see the difference between what we offer and all the crap out there. And just to keep in mind, we don't just sell one particular product. What we do is we test, and we keep coming up with the best. And that's why some of you guys have visited our site over the years, have noticed different products, different kits, different things changing. It's because we're always testing to find the best quality for the best value. Is there some fixtures that are even more well built than these? Absolutely. But I'm not going to pay $500 for a light, so I wouldn't expect you to. So what we've done is we've just come up with what we feel is great quality at a very reasonable price for what you get compared to, like I said, all the crap that you're going to find on Amazon, in the big box stores, and online. If you notice, they're basically all the same fixture. They're all manufactured in the same place. So how they can all say that one is better than the other is hooey. We've tested them and they're all the exact same light. We do offer something a little bit different with our lights, and just know that these are tested. These are installed in Canada where it's cold, some of the harshest climates. And that's why we recommend these two, because I know that these are going to last. So when I get questions about people who live on the coast, are they going to withstand them? Yes, we've installed them over there and they've been there for years. Are they going to handle the wet weather of hurricanes and all that kind of stuff? Obviously, if a hurricane blows your lights out of the ground, there's not much we can do there. But I bet you if you find that light, it's still going to work after the fact. So again, I really appreciate you guys watching all our videos. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're going to start individually reviewing all the different products, not only on our website, but a lot of the ones that you guys are always questioning about, and just give you the difference between a good, bad, and best, so that you can come up with the best lighting design and best lighting plan for your property, because we want your home to look as good as possible with landscape lighting. You're not trying to land an airplane. You're just trying to highlight probably one of your biggest assets that you currently own right now, that I know you guys have put so much money into. So why not highlight it a little bit? So again, go to YouTube, search Lighting Doctor, subscribe to our channel, and come visit us at lightingdoctor.ca for all our resources and everything else that we offer. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.